Welcome back to Apex Academy, your ultimate home for all your crypto education. As always, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. One new video every single Friday, and that means two new seed phrases for today. Okay, so I have some great updates for you guys today. An update about WorldCoin, also something else, a bonus, something to do with copy trading. Basically, how can you double your money within a short period of time, okay, without even having the knowledge on how to trade. So let's get started. First thing first, WorldCoin, it has been causing a frenzy over the last couple of days. Everyone in Kenya, to be specific, is buying WorldCoin, but it's so unfortunate because guys who are having those assets, they don't know how to sell them. They don't know how to sell them. You have $100, $200 worth of WorldCoin, but then you just have some figures in your app, but then you don't want to sell them. When you tell you guys come to Apex, let's teach you all these things, you don't want to come. Then you go get some cryptos, don't know how to sell. What do? Look for someone who has the knowledge. They sell, you send to them, they charge you a commission, and you end up losing instead of gaining. So guys, let's consider getting ourselves educated because education is key. Get the skills, money will follow later. So let's look at WorldCoin, and this is actually a project that has been initiated by one of the founders, the Chat GTP owner, and it's based on the AI model. What these guys are doing, they are basically collecting data to implement in their AI modules and projects. What you want to do for you to receive these WorldCoin tokens, you needed to sign up the WorldCoin app and then do your KYC. When I say KYC, mean you have your biometrics taken, you have your iris being scanned, then I receive those tokens on your wallet. Then I think you're supposed to be claiming them. Most guys actually received 50 WorldCoins, others 100 WorldCoins, others even received $2,000 worth of WorldCoins. So it only depends on how regular you are claiming those tokens. So there have been some actually criticism on the same token. We saw Vitalik, as the founder of Ethereum, saying he has security concerns, also the aspect of centralization, and that is why guys are not actually supporting this idea that much. However, if you want to buy WorldCoin, then I have some statistics I want to show you. Then you can make a decision on whether you want to buy WorldCoin or not. Okay. Before I proceed, guys, our next class for Apex Crypto Academy is starting on the 1st of August 2023. As I'm shooting this video, we only have 3 days left if you want to come on board. Remember guys, we teach and guide you from the very basic level of crypto to what is money actually, history of money, all the way to the expert level. And by the time you are leaving, there will be nothing that you don't understand in crypto. Guys, in fact, I have a meme coin I just bought. Let me just check how it's doing. And let me just check. Perfect. Oh, still an uptrend. So the guys in the academy, they already have the meme coin. Some of them have bought. So let's wait and see how it's going to perform. So we're now at 2x from our entry price. Good. 2x is also okay. So let's look at WorldCoin. This is WorldCoin. If you check the current price, it's now trading at $2.13. That is down by 5% in the last 24 hours. So those guys who are holding onto these assets and they think the price is gonna go up, oh, and to you, the price will just keep dumping and dumping. And I'll explain why it will keep dumping and dumping. Check the tokenomics. Look at this. Supply, only 1%. That means we have 98.9% that has not been unlocked. Okay. Something interesting that you should know. If you want to know a project is good and a project is attracting good uh, good investors, check the volume. Come to WorldCoin. Look at this. Volume in the last 24 hours alone, negative 30%. That means guys are actually selling and they are dumping this token. Okay. Something else that you should know. If you check the trend, bearish, just look at this. Bearish, look, meltdown, and will keep melting down and melting down. In fact, guys, go short WorldCoin on MEXC. Go short. If you don't know how to short, then that's where Apex comes in. Go short WorldCoin on MEXC. Okay. Let's proceed. I also checked on Dex tools and see what guys were saying and look at all this. Look at this. Look at these guys. Meltdown. Meltdown. Okay. Do you think you're gonna go back here? Not anytime soon. In fact, I don't think you're gonna go back there anytime. In fact, not anytime. I don't think we'll ever get there. Look at this, okay? 44% they disagree, 52% they agree, okay? Look at the cells, so many of them. Also, something else that you should look out for WorldCoin, when I scanned the address, the contract address, look what I get, okay? Red flags, red flag, red flag, red flag, red flag, red flag, okay? And this is very, very important for you guys to see. Look, a wallet contains a substantial amount of the tokens, which could have large impact of the token if price is sold. So I think what these guys were doing, maybe they thought they're gonna create a hype, guys will come buy their project, and then they own like 25% of the tokens, they just dump the tokens on investors. That's what you call a dump mechanism. But again, let's just wait and see what's gonna happen. I'm actually following up on WorldCoin so much. Before I proceed, let's just pause at that point. Guys, I have a series of giveaway I'm doing. I'm giving out a seed phrase every single Friday. So for this week, the seed phrase for this week, I'm gonna be giving out 2 of them. So please note this down because I'm not going to repeat it. The seed phrase for this week is scarce. Scarce. That's the first seed phrase. They will normally say like Bitcoin has a scarce supply. So scarce, that is the first seed phrase for today. So I'll give you the next seed phrase later on. So that's about the supply. 25% of the people of the owners, I think the founders, they own this asset, so they can easily dump the token anytime. So before you buy WorldCoin, just check all those tokenomics. Something else that you should know, I think WorldCoin will follow the ICP footsteps. ICP is basically Internet Computer Protocol. It's a token that did almost the same thing. The price sold to $3,000, and as we're speaking right now, the price of ICP is $4. Okay, just come. If you think I'm lying, let's just check ICP. Okay, look at ICP token. Just look at that. Okay, let's check the price right now. The current price for ICP. Look at that, still loading. You're gonna be surprised. Imagine dumping from $3,000. Look where we are right now. $4.25. Yes, the volume is going up, but then we dumped seriously from the all-time high. Now we are at $4.2, which is crazy. Okay, so guys, before you buy WorldCoin, please check all. Look at this. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, so guys, in fact, no, ICP didn't go to $3,000. That was another project. ICP went to, I think, $750. Yeah, yes. Look at the all-time high for ICP, $750. It's not 3,000. Sorry, guys. I think I'm confusing ICP with another project. ICP went to as high as $750. Look at this. Okay, $750. Where are we right now? $4. Okay, 99% down from the all-time high. Can we go back to the all-time high? Depends. Okay, it depends with the project itself. Check the supply, check the volume. You can see the volume is quite impressive. I won't say that the volume is that bad. The supply also, it's not that bad. It's looking somehow good. But then if you check for WorldCoin, guys, this and this are not even adding up. Look at this. Circulating supply 43 for 39 million ICPs. Max total supply 501. If you check for WorldCoin, guys, the statistics are just out of this world. That's why I'm saying just go buy WorldCoin at your own risk. Okay, because from what I'm seeing, the project will dump and dump and dump. Look at this, guys. Is what I'm saying. Look, total supply 10. This is the billion. I think 10 trillion. No, 1,000 million billion trillion. Okay, billion, 10 billion. Okay, look what is supplying right now. Only 1%. Remember, 25% is held by the mafias, and you can clearly see that here. But because we have a wallet that contains more than 5%, so they can easily dump the token on you. So that aside, let's go to how you can double your money in trading, and not just in trading, but not you trading, that is, but if you don't know how to trade. So we have a platform, and that's a copy trading platform. Okay, so what basically happens here is that you're not giving these guys your money to trade. That's the first thing that you should know. You're not giving them your money. What they're gonna be doing, they'll be trading using funds while they are in your wallet. So you connect this platform with your Binance account, then the funds will be in your Binance account. So these guys will run their trades. Then if they win your trades, then you get the profits. If they lose your trades, then you lose money. But There's a way that you select the best copy traders so that you don't get to lose much money. Okay, in some cases you don't get to lose anything. So before you select a trader, there are certain things that you should spot out for. For those guys at Apex, you know what we talked about. Okay, so if you want to know what the best thing to spot out for, come to Apex 1st July, 1st August, we hit the ball running. So we have here Premium X. You can see the 30-day ROI 164%. Okay, 30-day PNL $20,000. Check the maximum drawdown 15%, quite high. Maximum 30-day winning rate 48%, is still on the lower side. Okay, so look at this one. This is and actually most of these guys are actually Chinese because Chinese, Vietnamese, those guys have the skills. So you realize that most of them are actually from China. Okay, so let's look at someone else. Let's look at this unlock profitable, and you can see 30-day ROE 11%. Not bad. 11% in a month, that's quite something. Okay. 30-day PNL $8,000. Also not looking that bad because that's quite a substantial amount of money. 30-day win rate 96.6%. 30-day maximum drawdown 6.51%. A perfect example of a good copy trader. A good lead. Look at the runtime, 53 days. Meaning this guy has been here for quite a while. Okay. So what do you do when you want to copy this person's trade? You simply go to copy trade. However, I have a specific list of traders who are very good. I have their names. Some of them we have been in contact. We've been in contact. I know how they are trading. I know what they are doing, and they're doing an amazing job. In fact, I have one who doubled my portfolio within 2 weeks. So what you should do when your money has been doubled, and this was one of the rules in copy trading, do this: withdraw the initial investment. Okay, that means withdraw. If you entered with $1,000, withdraw the $1,000, because right now you're at $2,000. Then leave the 1,000 to run. Okay, so this is what you do. Just go to copy. Okay, once you're on copy, you have two types of trading. For those guys who know how to trade futures, you know we have what you call cross margin, and we have what you call isolated margin. Okay, so in this case, we are using isolated because we have isolated and we have fixed. So fixed is like cross, then this one is basically isolated. So we have the cost per order. So in this case, if I'm using $1,000 to copy the trades, you can see here my Binance spot balance is 1450 USDT. So the cost per order, I want to use $100 per trade. Then I want to use a copy amount of 1,000 USDT. That means I can open 10 trades from unlock profitable. Something else, I can go down and set a take profit in terms of ROE. Let's say I want to exit a trade at 30%. Okay, something else, I can set a stop loss also in terms of ROE. I want to get stopped out at 10%, negative 10%. That will mean if the trade goes south and then the ROE gets to negative 10, you're gonna get stopped out. Okay. However, if you get stopped out, then the system automatically will stop you from copying that lead trader. So you should be very, very keen. Are you guys together? So I can decide to set this. I can set to choose with the leverage of the copy trader, the lead trader, or I can set my own preferred leverage. Okay. Then I accept terms and conditions, then I submit. I don't want to submit this because I already have a running position with one of my favorite lead traders. Okay. So this is what you do. Essentially, you can choose not to put a take profit. Okay, you can choose not to put a stop loss and leave everything to the lead trader. So the minute the lead trader closes their position, the same thing happens to your position. So whenever they open a trade, you get an email that tells you this trader has opened this position. You can actually go and check and see what pairs these guys are trading. Are they going long? Are they going short? Okay, then you can be able to close your position anytime. You don't need to wait for the lead trader. If maybe you are at up 40%, you can close. You don't need to wait for the lead trader to go ahead and close that position. So there are a lot of things that you should understand on this particular platform because there are certain prerequisites that you take before you decide to take a good lead trader. I've told you guys I have my own list of traders I prefer. those guys who have done some good job on this platform, those guys who have been here for quite a while. I'll share the list with the community. If you're interested, just come to me. I'll share with you the names of the lead traders that you guys should be looking out for. Okay, and with that being said, I want to give you guys the second seed phrase for today. For those guys who are new, if it's your first time here, please subscribe first to the channel, like the video, check us out on our Instagram at Apex Crypto Academy. Then on this channel, I'm running a series of 12 videos giveaway. In fact, they're not gonna be 12, they're gonna be less. So what I'm doing, in every video, I'm giving out one seed phrase or two seed phrase. Then immediately you get the 12 seed phrases, because they're gonna be 12. You need to go and import that seed phrase to your preferred non-custodial wallet. Okay. Once you import that seed phrase, then you'll have access to the funds that will be in that seed phrase. This is what I said during my last video. I'm not going to put one coin. I'll put, let's say, like 5 coins, so that if 5 people are able to access the wallet at the same time, then everybody can get out a coin. Because if I only put Bitcoin and then one person accesses that wallet, then it means they'll be able to wipe out everything and we'll only have a winner. But if I have 5 coins and then 5 guys access the wallet, that means you can have 5 people are getting something out of the wallet each. So the second seed phrase for today, please note this down because I will never repeat this again. The second seed phrase is race. Race, let's race. The way people are racing, like right now, we have the XRP is racing against BNB. A very tight race, because let's just check XRP, BNB. Those two projects have been trying to flip one another. They are fighting for that top 4, not top 4, that 4th spot on CMC. Look at this. Look at this race. XRP here, BNB. Look at the race. 36 billion, 37 billion. They keep flipping one another. They keep flipping one another. Okay, so guys, that's it about this week's video. Remember to follow us on all our social media platforms at Apex Crypto Academy on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, as well as TikTok. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you next week. Stay bullish. Go buy Bitcoin. Go buy BNB. Go buy all the good projects out there. Guys, remember the most important thing. Don't forget to build your crypto portfolios. And actually, this move you are seeing here, we predicted this move. I said it. I always send a Bitcoin update every Monday. And this is exactly what I said. Look, okay? Most likely, we'll go back to $28,000. 28K is the next destination, most likely, unless the technicals change. But if you check the technicals, we are most likely heading back to 28K before we go bullish, okay? Because we always know that the market cannot go in a straight line. We have to go bullish, we have to go bearish, we have to consolidate, we have to go back, collect liquidity, because that is how crypto was designed to work. And always in crypto, think long term, think long term. Look, the next halving is coming next year. What's going to happen in the following year? Bull market, which is going to be crazy bull market. In fact, guys, you're going to have the craziest bull market ever, and you should never miss to be part of that bull run. So until next week, guys, bye bye, good luck, God bless you, ciao, I'm out.